How to rotate a video in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device. Next, head over to the Studio tab and browse through your media library until you find the video you want to rotate. Once you locate it, tap on the video to open it in the editing interface. When the video is loaded, tap on Edit, then navigate to the Frames tab. Here you will see the rotate option. Each time you tap on this button, your video will rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Continue tapping until the video is perfectly aligned to the orientation you prefer. If you want, you can also make additional adjustments to ensure your video's framing looks just right and fits well for the platform or screen where it will be viewed. Once you are happy with the results, tap on the Save button to apply the changes and update the video with its new orientation. Now you know how to rotate a video in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.